Okay guys, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to design a blogger flyers. I'll be dragging in the resources that I'll be using. I have the resources, the image I'll be using. I'll be dragging it in. That's just what I'll be doing. Can you see I'll drag it into Photoshop. The size I use is still the same thing, 12 by 12 inches. If we are using Pixel, it is 24,000 by 24,000. Next for me is to create the background. I have to create the background first. Come to solid color. Can you see I have to pick from the burger. Can you see? After then I'll reduce it a little bit so that it will be well positioned. Next for me is to add to the background, add the layer mask, then use the brush tools. Pick the color I'll be using. This is the color that I'll be using. I'll be picking the light color. I want it to be like a reflection. I'll just paint. Can you see? I'll paint. Is it should no, let me control Z it. It has to paint on this other side. It is a reflection that I want to create. Can you see? I'm creating like a reflection, like a light reflection, so that it will reflect on the burger. Can you see? I'll still use this brush tools to paint all this. I will change the color a little bit, and I'll now paint here. Can you see? Can you see the painting? It is just for you to know how to use these brush tools. That's all. Once you get how to use these brush tools, next is for me to add a little bit of darkness to the burger alone. I want to add it to the numpad. I have to control I it, which has to change it to black. Now I'll now paint only the burger. Can you see? I'm painting the burger only. It's not painting. Let me change it to white. Now it's not painting. Can you see? Those places will be more dark, not more brightened, because it's like the other side of it. It will have to look more dark, more real. Can you see? I think we are good to go with this. Next again, I have to do the bright part. Can you see the bright part? I have to do the bright part. I also control height, change it to black, then paint also. I'll use the brush tools. No, the brush tool. Okay, I think we are good to go. Let me check. As I'm painting, let me check. Can you see? Can you see the effect of it? It's just like the light bouncing on that spot. It's just like the light to bounce on the spot. That's it. Now I have to reduce this light a little bit. Can you see? I think we are good to go. Next is to add another layer mask. Now this layer mask I'll be painting with yellow cream color, a little bit of cream, just to make that place a little bit colorful. These are things you have to know. I'll be painting it little. Can you see? I've started painting now. I'm painting. Can you see the orange? I have to reduce the brush a little bit. The brush is reduced. Increase the size a little bit, and then paint. Can you see? I don't want it to be more white. I want it to be more yellow. As I'm painting with yellow. Can you see? I think that's all for now. Let me still for the painting. That's all for the painting. Now it's for me to paint this back a little bit. I want the back to be a little bit brightened. Can you see? I'm adding a little bit brighten to it, because the light is like reflecting to that side more than this side. That's just the effect of what I'm doing. That is the effect of what I'm doing. I'm making the light to be more reflect at the other side. Next for me is to bring in what I want to bring in. Okay, I want to bring in a background. Like I want to be an effect on it. I'm trying to look for something I will use. Okay, let me use this. I just want to use the down part. It's still loading. Just keep time. Take your time. If you are new on this channel, remember to click the subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, I say big thanks to you. Remember to click the like button and the subscribe button, and also the notification button, especially the like button, so that YouTube will recommend this to others. I'm trying to convert this image to black and white. Can you see? I've converted it to black and white. I don't want the color to match together with the background. That's what I'm trying to like. I'm not pasting it down, moving it down. This is okay. Now for me is to change it to overlay, screen, or anyhow. I'll just check which one is okay. I think color dodge is okay. Let me check overlay, let me check screen, let me check add, let me check all, let me check everything. I think this is okay. No, this is okay. Let me still check, let me check. I can still see another one that is, this is okay. Can you see? Just for me to clean some parts there, let me add layer mask. Let me just clean some parts. Change it to white. Let me paint. Let me clear some parts. Can you see I'm clearing some parts out of it now? I'm clearing some parts. Can you just see? Just follow all the steps. That's peaceful. No. Now for me is to type in the text, which is burger. I'll just type in burger and I'll use a nice font for it. Let me type in the font I want to use. If you need any of these resources, just let me know. I'll just send you the link and you get access to it straight away. This is the font I'll use. Let me change it to white. Cream color. Any color that you just feel like. Let me change it. Let me use like this. Let me increase it a little bit. Let me increase it. The B, I have to change the B to capital letter. I have to change the B to capital letter. Now I have to enlarge it one more time. I have to make it more bigger. Can you see? I just have to make it a little bit bigger and increase and just change the, let me slant it a little bit. Just make it a little bit bigger so that it will look more presentable. That's all. Next for me is the right thing, to write a party, burger party, just like a burger party. That's what I want to write into it. It's not showing why. Something is wrong. Okay, I've already partly clip it. Now let me just write everything in capital letter. Let me increase it so that it will be okay. I think this is okay. Now this one, I'm not going to make it more fade. I'm going to add a little effect to it. Can you see? Let me change it to screen overlay. I think overlay is okay. I use often more of overlay. I have to blend this a little bit. Can you see the effect? the party will later reflect in I will later rewrite it. I'll write it in another way. It will show very well. Now let me write it. I'm using Concil font. Just follow these steps and you get it right. Just follow these steps. Now I have to duplicate this burger. I have to use it. Still have to use it again. I have to duplicate it and use it. Now, can you see? Yeah, I'll not be making it to be more real. I'll just have to blur it a little bit. Go to question blur and increase the blur. If it's okay, you can leave it. Now, I think that is okay. Duplicate it again. Add it to this part. I think this is okay. This is okay. This is okay. We are almost done. Almost done. Let me just add a little bit text to it also. Enjoy this burger party. Let me just write something like that. Enjoy this burger party. Let me just write enjoy to it as well. If you are new on this channel, remember to click the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, I say very big thanks to you all. Remember to click this like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to others also. Thanks to you all. Just follow to the end. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask me. Just drop comment. I love feedback, and that is what will encourage us more. Feedback from you all. If you need me to do any video on any tutorial, let me just know. On any flyers, maybe birthday flyer, maybe brand flyer, just let me know. Now I just want to split this space in between. I want to make it space. I want to, can you see? That's all. Yeah, good to go. Good to go. Can you see? Yeah, good to go. Just take your time. Watch all over and all over again. If you don't understand any part, just watch and watch. Remember to click the subscribe button. That is so important. I'm saying very big thanks to you all. See you on another next video of mine. Thanks.